Hello everyone, have a look at me. This is my new dress. It's pretty complicated, so it took me a couple of days to make a perfect pattern for it. I've decided to show you how to make such dress. I warn you in advance that it's not easy. This part is pretty complicated. When I take the dress off, I'll put it on a table to show you all the details. The dress is made of crepe, and it's lined. I want to show you how to make a pattern for this dress. I want you to have a close look at all the details. Notice how perfectly the dress fits me. This is how I attached a mic to the dress this time. Notice how the draping hides the parts of my body which I wanted to hide. Now I'll take the dress off. Have a look at the table. This is the dress, and this is the mock-up. It took me 3 days to make it, and now I have about 15 minutes to show it to you. This is my basic pattern. I made it longer and folded it in half. I'll get back to the pattern later. Have a look here. This is the seam where all the details on the front meet. I detached one detail. Now you can see that these parts were added to the original pattern. I'll show you how to make these two folds. I'm not going to detach the second detail. It's absolutely the same. Now you know how this wrap over was made. It took me very long to make a proper pattern for this dress. This is my basic pattern. This is a part of a mock-up. I matched the pattern and the mock-up waistline to waistline. I need to mark the seam on the center front. I draw it 1 cm down from the fabric edge. Notice how I match the details. Do not forget that there's 1 cm for a seam added. The center front is marked on the mock-up, so I can outline the neckline now. I remind you that the pattern is folded in half. I match the notches on the waistline once again to outline the princess seam. I moved the line a bit because I've added 1 cm for a seam. Now I can move the dart. What have I done? I made a cut on the center front and moved the shoulder dart by drawing a princess seam. I can put this detail aside for now. I'll be working with the lower part of the dress. How to make this detail? Draw a line. You can draw it wherever you want. This is the first line, And this is the second one. You can draw this fold wherever you want. Make an opening as wide as you want the detail to be. I need to unfold the pattern to outline the center front. I need to do it because I'm going to cut the pattern. I'll sign the line. Center front, seam. Now I can make this line longer. The details will cross here. I'll mark this extra detail. There will be 3 layers of fabric in it. The width of this cut is 16 centimeters. 8 centimeters on each side. Each detail will cross the center front for 2 centimeters. Now I'll show you how to make this detail. It took me so long to make a pattern because I didn't know what to do. You know it. Next I need to trace the detail to a piece of tracing paper folded in half. I'll explain why I'm doing it. I'm making a separate pattern for the detail on the front. I want you to understand the technique. I'm sure that you'll manage to make such dress. I remind you that there should be 3 layers of fabric in this detail. This is the first one, and here are 2 more. Notice that I marked the center front in them. This is very important. I'll make a notch on it. I know that the design of this dress is very complicated, but it's so beautiful that I couldn't resist showing it to you. Now I can cut the pattern. Watch what I'm doing next. I need to attach the detail here. Be very accurate. I need to stick it with the duct tape. Have a look here. I'm making this detail now. This is how it should look on the pattern. I already attached one detail, but I still need to attach one more. There should be 3 layers of fabric here. I need to attach the second detail this way. Next, we need to stick these details together. This is the fold which will be inside. I'll sign it. I hope that everything is clear so far. As I've already said, it took me a couple of days to understand how to make a pattern. Now that I know what to do, I can teach you too. I need to sign the fold which will be inside. Now I can fold the detail. It looks just like in the dress. Let's have a look at the pattern once again. The dress had been straight, and then I attached this detail. There should be 3 layers of fabric in it. The detail crosses the center front, and it's marked in it. I hope that everything is clear so far. Let's have a look at the mock-up. This is the detail I've just made. You already know how to make it. This is the original detail, and these two were attached later. Anyway, notice that the detail is one piece. I made spacing seams on all the needed lines in order not to make mistakes. The lower part of the dress is ready. What have I done? I made a cut on the center front. It's 16 cm wide. After that, I made 2 princess seams which go from the cut to the armholes. I also moved the shoulder dart. Next, I made the fold which goes down from the cut. I know that the design is complicated, but I'm sure that you'll manage to make it. The most important thing is that you should understand the technique. Now you know how to make the detail on the lower part of the front. This used to be a straight dress, and this is how it looks like now. You already know how to do it. That's all for today. Next time we'll continue working with the pattern. I hope that everything is clear so far. Watch the video several times if you can't understand something. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.